Hello guys, so today's video, it's a Tagalog compensation plan of GAIN Protocol. Ang dami kasing nagtatanong, ano daw ba si GAIN Protocol? And good news, ito ngayon ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo kikita, ano ba yung system niya, at bakit nagiging viral na siya worldwide. So, let me do my full presentation. Alright, so let's gain more with faith. Bakit may GAIN at bakit may faith protocol? So, yung company na to ay pinag-combined yung forces ng dalawang giant division na to. So, si GAIN protocol, it's on the network side or the business side of this platform. And faith protocol is about the technology division. So, pinag-combine yung dalawang ito. Kaya naman, syempre, when we have the best digital products, ito yung si Faith Protocol, of course, merong magandang kitaan behind dun sa project na yun. So, this is the compensation plan. So, we are the best business partner for your growth. The number one goal ni Faith Protocol is to build a strong and huge community of people to adapt the power of technology. So, we believe in the power of community. Kung ano yung fund na nilagay mo dito sa platform na to, 100% na pupunta lahat sa community or sa lahat ng members. Okay? So, 100% distribution and very transparent. So, lahat ng transactions and activities, naka-breakdown yan at makikita mo lahat sa dashboard mo, sa back office. So, this is really a game changer. Why? This is a great community building program. 2, extra reward for all the GAIN community or GAIN community members. So, napakalaki ng potential income nito. And I'm very, very excited. So, let's see later dun sa marketing plan na ipepresent ko sa inyo. So, yan. We have launched a journey. So, si GAIN Protocol, guys, ito yung project in cryptocurrency industry na wala kang choice kundi mag-earn ka talaga. So, GAIN Protocol, ito nga yung business side wherein pag workout mo siya, you will be rewarded more than what you expected. So, let's see how this work. Okay? So, this will be a game changer. Ano ba yung mission and vision? So, the mission of GAIN is to provide the best trusted platform to our community. Just like I've said before, most of the cryptocurrency platforms, lahat yun nauuwi sa scam. So, bibilang ka lang ng 1 year, 2 years, minsan, yun yung pinakamatagal. Minsan, 6 months, minsan yung iba, 1 buwan lang. So, I know marami sa atin na scam sa crypto, 'di ba? Pero wag tayong sumuko kasi yung crypto industry, kapag napunta ka sa isang tamang project, grabe, talagang yung lifestyle mo, it will turn 360 degrees in no time. Okay? So, maraming nagiging milyonaryo sa cryptocurrency industry. Kailangan mo lang talagang piliin kung ano yung tamang project or yung legit na project. Good news, si GAIN Protocol, it's not like those several platforms talaga na nauuwi lang sa scam. So, let's continue this presentation and makikita natin kung bakit I'm very confident na itong si GAIN Protocol ay tatagal. Okay? So, Faith Ecosystem, ito yung digital products natin. So, si GAIN Protocol ay nakipag-combine dito sa giant technology division, which is the Faith Ecosystem. And ano ba yung offer ni Faith Protocol? Ano yung meron si Faith Protocol? So, ito po yun, Faith Exchange, ayan, Faith Crypto Service, Faith Farming, Faith Wallet, Faith Metaverse, Faith Bots, Faith Token, Faith E-Commerce, Faith Blockchain, Faith Gaming. So, nandito na lahat. Okay? So, there are several platforms who offers us this kind of projects na solo lang. For example, exchange lang yun. And then, other company na naman, farming. So, iba na naman yun. Ayan, meron naman din na Faith Wallet wherein mag-hold ka lang ng cryptocurrency, mag-earn yun. APY, meron siyang percentage earnings per year. So, iba-iba siya, kumbaga. This time with Faith Protocol, all-in-one na siya. Pinagsama-sama siya sa iisang ecosystem. Okay? And ito, yung faith gaming na to, especially ngayon sa mga kabataan ngayon, napakahihilig sa gamings. Ako mismo, aminin ko, nag-games din ako. But since I am a business-minded person, I'll make sure na nag-earn ako kahit nag-games ako, 'di ba? So, this is very possible with cryptocurrency. Sa cryptocurrency industry, you can play and earn, okay? So, this time with Faith Protocol, meron na din siyang ganun. So, nakaka-excite yun, guys. Even without investing any amount of money, pwede kang mag-play, and if you win, you will earn. So, nakaka-excite yun, guys. Isa sa features ni Faith Protocol yan. And the most exciting one is this Faith Metaverse. Ano ba yung Faith Metaverse? Okay? So, naalala ko, meron akong napanood sa YouTube. A couple, naginanap nila yung wedding nila inside Metaverse. So, ibig sabihin, yung Metaverse na to is pwedeng maging reality. Mafe-feel natin siya, ma-experience natin siya inside this Metaverse. So, super high-tech. So, sobrang high technology talaga. And yun yung nakaka-excite kasi we all know kung gaano kalaki yung impact ng technology sa lifestyle natin. So, if we grab or if we adopt this kind of technology, magiging extraordinary talaga yung lifestyle natin. So, paano mangyayari yon? Let me play this video. Okay? I record this earlier. Kung ano ba yung metaverse na to. Alright? So, please watch this. So, eto guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ma-enjoy or kung paano natin ma-maximize yung metaverse which is provided for us by a Faith Protocol. So, if we are part of a faith community, ito yung privilege natin. So, nakaka-excite guys. Super high technology, a really different kind of experience. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin ma-enjoy yung metaverse na to. So, welcome to Faith Protocol. This is our virtual Faith Protocol office. Dito pa lang guys, makikita mo na kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano nakaka-amaze yung magiging opisina mo. Ayan, 'di ba? Na kung saan parang sa dream mo lang siya makikita. But because of Faith Protocol, ginawa nila yung dreams na to ay pwede palang maging reality. As in, we can feel a real life experience in this metaverse. And the great thing is, this is provided for us for free as being part of the community. So, what's the most exciting about this is that any business that we have ay pwede nating i-promote dito sa napaka high-tech na place na to. So, only in Faith Metaverse. So, this is very exciting. Very soon, ma-open na siya. And actually, in fact, you can enter this metaverse for free. Okay? Kasi ang goal ni Faith Protocol is to build a strong community, a huge community na kung saan may experience natin yung ganitong klaseng lifestyle through metaverse, 'di ba? Super high technology. So, para makapasok ka dito, we are using the Web3 or even the Web2 applications like MetaMask. So, we can enter this metaverse even as a guest. Okay? And this is all for free. So, what Faith Protocol gave us is a wonderful opportunity. Meron akong napanood na dito kinandak yung wedding nila. So, talagang in real life. Kumbaga, yung experience mo, it's like real. Okay? So, yung fantasy natin, dito natin mabibigyang katuparan. Diba? So, nakaka-excite yun guys. Only the Faith Protocol can give us this opportunity. So, for those of you na bago pa lang sa industry na to, we need to jump in para ma-experience natin. Sabi nga, minsan ka lang mabubuhay dito sa mundo, di ba? So, paano naman tayo makikipag-interact sa metaverse community na yun? So, we need to represent ourselves. So, through MetaMask, we can enter as a guest or as the part of community. So, pwede mong pasukin yung metaverse na yun, okay, using this Web3 application. So, kung ikaw ay female or male, yan, i-click mo lang yung male. Ayan, si Vikram yung mag-demonstrate sa atin kung paano gagawin yung avatar mo. Okay, so this is your avatar. And yeah, you can create your own self again. So your own identity. Ayan, so it's loading. So there's an option here kung paano mo i-customize yung sarili mo. You can choose your own body type. Ayan. Everything here, very easy. So for demonstration purposes, this is Vikram. You can capture a picture of yourself and you can edit your own avatar now. So this avatar will represent as you in the metaverse. So you can customize yourself. You can edit your eyes. You can edit everything. But of course, kailangan it's the same as you. Okay, pwede mo i-customize yung sarili mo. So, yeah, talagang magiging gwapo ka dito, magiging maganda ka dito. Okay? But syempre, yung real identity mo, yun pa rin yung kailangang ilagay mo dito. So, everything you want, pwede mong i-change yung damit mo, yung outfit mo. Just like on Facebook, we can create our own avatar. So this time, with Fate Protocol, we will create our own avatar, okay? Depending on what we want to appear as ourselves, 'di ba? Kasi nakaka-excite ito yung representation mo papunta dun sa metaverse. Okay? So kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng another life out of this world, 'di ba? So pwede mo nang gawin kung ano yung hindi mo nagawa dito sa real world, okay? Again, so ayan, pwede mong customize yung sarili mo, i-explore mo, and nakaka-excite. You can see yourself interacting with everyone inside the metaverse. So yan, kung ano yung personality mo, you can create your own self, and so you can now go and start your journey in Fate Metaverse. So nakaka-excite yan, guys. Okay? So ito yung mga mabe-benefit natin when we became part of Fate Protocol. So of course, the next one is the third project is this citizenship. So pwede tayong mag-create ng own personal information natin. So pwede nating gawin kung ano yung gusto nating gawin. Pwede tayong mag-business, pwede tayong maging business tycoon, 'di ba? And also, this citizenship will give us a lot of benefits. So one of those benefits is that bibigyan tayo ng sarili nating website, okay? Wherein any business that we have, pwede nating ilagay sa website na yun. So we can also put all of our links para magamit natin yon to find prospective clients sa business natin. So, yung website na to is already paid for 10 years. Okay? So, we can use this for long term. That's why this project makes it really, really unique and amazing. So, this video here will show us kung paano tayo makikipag-interact or kung paano tayo mamumuhay dito sa loob ng metaverse na to. So, we can also do presentations, business meetings, okay? Ayan, nakaka-excite kasi you are present, physically present, like that. Makikita mo yung sarili mong avatar na kin-create mo. Nandyan, pwede kang makipag-meet sa mga tao. Everyone here, they are real people, okay? Meron silang mga sariling identity. Sila din yung mga katulad natin na nag-create ng avatar, and then after that, they interact inside this metaverse. So that's very exciting, guys. You will meet new friends, clients, and you if you're really a business-minded person, you can meet a lot of business-minded people like you na pwede kang communicate with them, learn things, and of course, who knows, baka pwede mo pa rin silang maging ka-partner sa any business na wino-workout mo yun. So, nakaka-excite yun guys dahil only Faith Protocol can give us this different kind of experience. Kumbaga, yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo na hindi mo nagawa in real life, pwede mong i-experience dito. And the great thing, hindi ka limitado. So anyone in the whole world na na-adapt na ang future technology or the metaverse, you can interact with them. We can do business with them without spending huge amount of money. Alright, so here's another amazing project. Okay, so this one here is augmented reality. Okay, this is AR. So it's like NFT. Ayan. Isa sa napaka-exciting na project ni Faith Protocol. So, yung pinakita natin kanina is virtual reality. Ayan. But this time, we also have the AR or the augmented reality. So, this time, you can have your own hero. Okay? Nakikita mo siya. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa table mo, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa sasakyan mo, makikita mo siya pero hindi mo siya mahahawakan. So, alam natin na sobrang high-tech. So, there's a bright future in this company, in this project, which is really, really exciting that no other companies have ever created this. So, like, take a look. Ayan, so, kumbaga, nakikita mo lang siya, pero hindi mo siya mahahawakan. So, only Faith Protocol provided this kind of NFT. First time in the history. So, nakaka-excite, hindi ito yung akala natin na basta-basta lang na project. So, there's a great future, long-term plans yung company ni Gain Protocol. So, that's the digital products. Kung hindi ka na-excite sa pinakita ko na yan, ewan ko na lang, panoorin mo na lang yung mga tao na mag-grab ng opportunity na to. Alright, so grabe guys, di ba? Sobrang high technology, kakaibang experience. Yung mga hindi mo nagawa sa real life mo ngayon, ay pwede mong, kumbaga, nagpunta ka sa ibang dimension. Pero, in this metaverse, pwede kang mag-start ulit. And I'm sure lahat ng nandito sa metaverse na to, they are already involved in cryptocurrency and they are all business-minded people. Alam nila kung paano kumita ng pera dito. Paano mag-generate ng money dito. Okay? So, dito sa Faith Metaverse na to, pwede kang makipag-interact sa mga tao, sa mga katulad mo. And sabi ko nga, pwede kang maging isang business tycoon dito. And good news, kung ano yung perang ma-generate mo, pwede mong dalhin sa real life mo. So, nakaka-excite yun guys, diba? Kung hindi mo magawa in real life dahil super daming competition, then you can adapt the technology and pwede kang mag-start dito to generate or to change your life, your financial status. So, nakaka-excite yun guys. This is very, very unique project that no other companies or no other platforms has offered this kind of opportunity. So, Gain Protocol, it's a 100% distribution. Gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, kung ano yung nilabas mo, kung ano yung ipinasok mo sa platform, sa project, 100% nun madidistribute sa mga members. Okay? So, siguro ang tanong mo sa akin, paano mag-earn yung company? Hindi ba malulugi yan? 'Di ba? Since it's a crowdfunding project, peer-to-peer siya, okay? So, kung ang tanong mo is paano kikita yung company. So, ang napupunta lang actually dito sa system is yung 10% deduction sa withdrawals. Okay, that's good enough. So, maybe yung developer or yung founders ng project na to, of course, they are part of the ecosystem already. So, meron na silang account. Maybe sila yung naunang nakapwesto dun sa tree, dun sa pool. So, dun sila, of course, mag-gain ng maraming income. But, very fair kasi kung ano yung nagawa nila, kung ano yung naranasan nila, tayong mga susunod, mararanasan din natin. Kasi, this is very fair and 100% transparent. So, lahat ng transactions makikita mo sa dashboard mo, sa back office. Okay? 100% safe and secure. So, yes, that's because we are using smart contract Web3 app through MetaMask or Trust Wallets. Ayan. 100% transparent reports. So, makikita mo dun sa dashboard mo yung lahat ng mga na-earn mo, yung mga distribution ng lahat ng rewards, ng earnings, nandun sa back office. Okay? Calculated distribution. Mobius Loop Protocol. Ito po, as per my understanding, kung sa ibang crowdfunding platform, okay, sa sobrang ganda ng concept niya, yung isang member, pag kumita na, pag ayaw na niyang, kumbaga, enough na sa kanya, kasi malaki talaga yung kitaan dito, enough na sa kanya kinita niya, hindi na siya mag-upgrade. So, very unfair dun sa mga taong nag-upgrade. 'Di ba? That's the concept of the old style ng crowdfunding. This time, dito kay Gain Protocol, lahat ng member, auto-upgradation, auto-upgrade. So, wala siyang choice. Very fair yung system. Of course, pakikitain ka muna ni company. Magto 2 times muna yung pera mo, okay, kikita ka muna, and then the next earnings, hindi mag-stop yung earnings mo. The next earnings, i-hold ni system, and sa ayaw mo at sa gusto, i-upgrade ka niya. Okay? And that's great news kasi, ibig sabihin, may movement. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng papasok dito, walang mag-e-exit. There's no exit here. Kikita at kikita ka. Kung ano yung ginawa mo, siguradong gagawin ng downline mo. Okay? So, that's very, very exciting. Now, ito yung mga upgrade or yung mga packages. So, the number 1 package, which is the basic, is the $20 package. Anyone can join the business, basta meron silang $20 na pang-kapital. So, we are using Binance Smart Chain and USDT, okay, mga stable coins, USDT via BEP20 or BUSD. So, gumagamit tayo ng MetaMask in Binance Smart Chain Network. So, napakaliit lang ng gas fees, kaya hindi tayo gagastos ng malaki. Unlike before, meron ding isang ganitong klase ng crowdfunding, the Forsage, ayan, kung narinig nyo na. But, ay ako nakasali dun sa Forsage. Pero, good news guys, yung leaders ng Forsage, they earned hundreds of Ethereum. Kano na ang Ethereum ngayon? 2,000 plus bawat isang Ethereum. So, napakalaki ng naging earnings nila. Kaya lang, again, sabi ko nga, may kulang sa system. And, yung crowdfunding na yon ay ginawa sa Ethereum blockchain. And we all know, lalo na ngayon, since tumaas yung value ng Ethereum, hindi na profitable magkaroon ng crowdfunding sa Ethereum network kasi gas fees pa lang, mauubos ka na. Okay? So, ngayon, lumabas si Gain Protocol, same concept with Forsage, but lahat ng mga pangit dun sa Forsage, tinanggal na. Kumbaga, they've learned before. So, itong project na to ay talagang pinaghanda ang mabuti. And nagustuhan ko talaga yung concept niya. So, again, if you register using your referrals link, okay, you need to activate your account. You need to buy the basic package. $20 lang yun, guys. And napakaliit na halaga, nasa 1,200 pesos, kasama na yung gas fees. Once you buy that, automatic bibigyan ka ni system ng ready-made team. Consists of 40 people. So, 20 global upline and 20 global downline. Automatic yon. So, sa ayaw mo at sa gusto, nag-recruit ka man or hindi, meron ka agad automatic na 40 people, which is yung 40 na yon ang magbibigay sa'yo ng unlimited earnings. Okay? Hindi ganun kalaki, pero lifetime earnings. So, again, 1,200 pesos, nagkaroon ka ng isang worldwide business, nagkaroon ka ng isang high technology business na mapapakinabangan mo for long term. Okay? So, now, the second package is, pwede kang mag-upgrade ng advance, but pwede ka ring hindi mo na mag-upgrade. It depends on you. Kung gusto mong mabilis na kitaan, mag-advance upgrade ka. Okay? So, then, the second package is the starter package. Pag nag-upgrade ka dito, automatic ma-open yung another 5 ways to earn. So, lahat, kumbaga, pare-pareho lang yan, 9 income, 9 income, 9 income sa lahat ng package na to. So, pinaka-importanting ma-upgrade mo is yung $40 package. So, then, pwedeng mag-wait and earn ka na lang dyan. Sabi ko nga, magkakaroon ka na agad ng 40 people na magbibigay sa'yo ng unlimited earnings. At least, mag-upgrade ka, advance upgrade out of your pocket ng $40 package. So, that's just 3,500 pesos in total. No subscription, no other expenses. So, yun lang yung manggagaling sa bulsa mo for the whole journey mo dito kay Gain Protocol. Nasa sayo na lang kung gusto mong mag-upgrade nito, the next package. And again guys, hindi ka pwedeng tumalon dito agad sa $40 package or $80 package. Kailangan magsimula ka sa $20 package. Kasi once na you buy this package, ito nakalak. Ito lang yung open. Ito lang yung may nakalagay na buy button. So once na nabuy mo yan, ito, mag-a-unlock siya. Okay? Pwede mo na tong bilhin. Same with the following packages. Once you upgrade this, pwedeng ma-open yung the next one. So, again, ang maximum slot na pwede mong bilhin out of your pocket is hanggang dito lang sa Diamond Rank. Hanggang sa 6th slot. The next slots, itong mga slots na to, hindi mo pwedeng bilhin out of your pocket. Okay, why? Kasi gusto ng company, gusto ni Faith Protocol mag-build talaga ng real community of people. Okay? So, yung upgrade nito, manggagaling dapat sa earnings mo na. Kasi kung merong taong pumasok dito, businessman, maraming kapital, pwede niyang bilhin lahat to. Hanggang dito. And once na nabili niya hanggang dito, siya na lang yung mag-earn na mag-earn na mag-earn na mag-earn. 'Di ba? Kasi kumbaga pinagana na lang niya yung pera niya. Pero very fair si Gain Protocol. Hanggang dito ka lang pwedeng mag-upgrade. Kasi guys, ang benefit ng advanced upgrade, kapag naka-diamond ka na, magkakaroon ka ng maraming rebirth IDs, ma-open lahat ng mga ways to earn mo, and pinaka benefit mo sa advanced upgrade is magkakaroon ka ng multiple accounts. So, the higher the package na binibili mo, the more extra ID or rebirths, full IDs, it's equivalent to accounts, yung ma-earn mo. So, the more accounts na meron ka, mas marami, of course, na earnings na papasok sa account mo. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next slide. Ito na guys, yung marketing plan. Okay? So, halimbawa, nag-join ka with just $20 BUSD or USDT. That's your one-time and lifetime activation. So, magkakaroon ka na ng 6 ways to earn. So, ano-ano yon? So, ito yung sinasabi kong ready-made people na papasok sa'yo. 20% from your Global 20 upline, 20% Global 20 downline, 15% single leg pool, 15% global pool ID, 20% direct income, and 10% salary income. So, these are the 6 ways to earn sa $20 package mo. Okay? Ang maganda dito guys, once na nag-activate ka yung $20 package mo, magkakaroon ka agad ng 40% return right away. Okay? Once na pag-activate mo pa lang, kasi bibigyan ka ng 1% ng 20 people na to. So, 1% times 20, that's 20%. Okay? And 20% of $20 is $4, right? Diba? So, ngayon, syempre, hindi lang isa yon. Meron ka pang downline income na right away din ibibigay sa'yo ni system. So, meron ka na agad $8 earnings. Diba? Ang maganda dito, hindi natatapos doon kasi itong 40 people na yan, lifetime mo na yan. And then, this is real people guys, hindi yan galing sa upline mo, hindi yan galing sa kung sino man, galing yan sa company, galing yan sa system. Okay, ready-made people. So ngayon, this 40%, nag-earn ka na agad ng $8, okay? Hindi mag-i-stop doon kasi pag nag-upgrade tong mga to, unlimited 1% ulit yung ma-earn mo. Okay? So, continuous 1% yon hanggang sa mag-accumulate yung earnings mo. Diba naka $8 ka na? So, the next earnings, mag-earn ka ng mag-earn dito, paulit-ulit. Okay? So, ito naman, single leg pool ID, you will earn 15%. Yan, one time. Kung ikaw ay naka $20 pack lang. Okay? So, next is the global pool ID, 15%. And I will break this down in the following slides para mas maintindihan nyo. So, direct income is 20%. So, it means, kapag nag-invite ka, bibigyan ka ni system ng 20 So, how much is 20% ng $20? That's $4. Huwag tayong maghanap ng malaki, guys, kasi $20 lang yung nilabas natin. And then, you're also entitled for 10% salary income. So, in total, 2020 plus 15, that's 40 plus 30, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, ibig sabihin 100% dinistribute na. Okay? So, ayun yung ibig sabihin nun. So, let's break down those earnings. Ayan, makakakuha ka ng 20% for every people na maipasok mo dito sa platform na to, sa project na to. Unlimited yun, guys. Hindi ka nililimitahan ni system na hanggang 10 lang. For example, no. Unlimited yan hanggat kahit ilang directs yung kaya mo, much better. Kasi the more directs, the more earnings, and the deeper na earnings ang pwede mong ma-earn. Okay? So, Global 20 Upline, ito naman yung sa Global 20 Upline, just like I've explained a while ago, you will earn 1% from this 20 Global Upline. And ito yung total na earnings mo. Okay? Dito sa lahat ng 20 Global Upline mo. So, that's the potential earnings. Diba? Ang laki, guys. Magkano lang nilabas natin? $20. Okay? Pwede mong computein yun, guys. And then, of course, yung meron ka din namang 20 global downline, same. Mag-earn ka ng 1% from all your 20 global downlines, single leg again and again on every upgradation. Kapag nakapag-upgrade lahat ng 20 people na to hanggang sa last lot, total of $3,070 yung na-earn mo. Okay? Now, global single leg. Ito yung 150% earnings sa single leg pool ID. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Nag-invest ka ng $20. Magkano ang 150% ng $20? That's $30. So, pag nag-earn ka na ng $30, tapos ka na dito. Ikaw ay $20 package lang. Pero kung ikaw ay naka $40 package, unlimited. Paulit-ulit mo tong i-earn. Okay? Explain ko sa inyo later. So, this is the structure. For example, ang ID mo is $20. Nag-join ka, okay? Nag-activate ka. So, automatic meron kang isang pool ID. So, ito ka, for example. Ngayon, this is single leg. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga nagjo-join, pumapasok sa single leg na to. Whole company yan. So, for example, pag nandito ka na, okay? Dito ka pumasok, nandito ka na, turn mo na, 'di ba? So, sunod-sunod yan. It's a queue. Okay? Sunod-sunod yan, you need to wait for your turn. For example, nandito ka and $20 pack ka lang. Okay? Pag nag 150% na yung capital mo, which is $30, exit ka na. Turn naman ng kasunod mo. Okay? And then, for example, nag-top up ka. Halimbawa, nandito ka pa lang, hindi mo pa turn, for example, nag-top up ka na, nag $40 ka, automatic may mabubuhay na account mo dito. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan na humaba yung pila bago ka mag-top up, bago ka mag-upgrade. Kasi, dun ka na sa dulo, 'di ba? But, again, mabilis lang yung proseso niyan, sunod-sunod. So, wait for your turn. Huwag kang magmamadali. Okay? So, if you have a lot of pool IDs, nag-upgrade ka into $40, another extra 1 ID yun. So, parang mabubuhay ka dito ulit, 'di ba? Kung $80 pack yung in-upgrade mo, may extra 2 ka. So, eto yun. So, basta tandaan mo guys, continuous growth to. Maraming mga taong pumapasok sa system. So, sunod-sunod yan. Kumbaga nakapila ka. Kaya kung gusto mong mabilis na income, kung gusto mong hindi malayo yung agwat, mag-upgrade ka na agad para nandito ka pa rin sa malapit. And good news guys, mamaya explain ko sa inyo, kung ikaw ay $20 package lang, matagal talaga yan. Kasi, pag nag-exit ka na dito, wala ka ng turn, 'di ba? So, kapag ikaw ay nag-invite pa lang, dun ka pa lang magkakaroon ng panibago dito. Or pag ikaw ay nag-upgrade, saka ka pa lang magkakaroon ng panibagong account dito. Baka nasa dulo ka na. But again, it will continuously run, okay? And makakarating pa rin sa'yo. Pag nag-turn mo na ulit, mag-earn ka ng another 150%. Okay? So, now, let's explain the gain global pool. So, ito naman, instead of 150%, 300% naman to. So, magkano yung 300% ng $20? That would be $60. Okay? So, $60 on every ID. So, let's see the structure. So, si company, ayan, meron tayong isang buong matrix. Isang tree lang siya. Okay? So, walang ibang pupuntahan yung mga tao na pumapasok sa system kung di sa ilalim ng bawat isa. So, depende kung kailan ka nag-join. For example, baka nag-join ka na ng on its third week, nandito ka. So, you will need to wait for your turn. Kasi, ikaw, halimbawa, itong taong to, yung nauna na pumasok sa system, once na naging 300% na yung kanyang earnings, so, bawat tao na to, pag nag-earn na siya ng 300%, okay, then, done na siya, tapos na siya, mag-exit na siya. But, if you upgrade your package, magkakaroon ka ulit ng panibagong account somewhere here, kung saan, or dito sa dulo. Okay? And then, tuloy-tuloy lang ulit yan hanggang sa your turn na ulit and you will earn another 300%. Okay? So, sa salary income naman, your potential is up to $200,000. Okay, guys? This is not magic. Walang magic. Huwag kang mag-expect na bukas, sa isang araw, or sa next month, or meron ka na agad yan. It depends. Okay? It depends. It depends sa growth ng grupo mo. It depends sa 20 global uplines and downlines na napunta sa'yo. Kung madalas silang mag-upgrade, mabilis kang magkaroon ng income. Kasi domino effect yan. Lahat ng ways to earn dito, damay-damay yon. Okay? So, yan yung potential ng salary income. So, now, let's go to $40 package. So, for example, nag-upgrade ka na for $40 package. Good news. Ma-open yung 8 ways to earn mo dito. Plus, there are more rebirth IDs. So, sa $20 package, walang rebirth. Once na natapos ka na yung turn mo, exit ka na. Okay? But, you will still earn, guys. Kasi meron kang, tandaan mo, meron kang 40 people. So, dun ka continuous na mag-earn. Pero yung other ways to earn mo, matatapos yun kasi naka $20 package ka lang and kumbaga wala kang rebirth, hindi nabubuhay ulit yung account mo. Dito ngayon sa $40 package, one time mo lang yun i-activate and grabe po yung impact nito. Mas malaking earnings yung ma-earn mo. Okay? So, yung distribution ng $40 package, 50% sa global 20 upline income, 15% global 20 downline, single leg unlimited rebirth, ayan, paliwanag ko sa inyo mamaya, global pool unlimited rebirth, again, okay, 10% gain salary, ito yung wala dito sa $20 package, gain rewards, ayan, level income, and direct plus spillover. So, pag kinumpute mo yan, 100% na naman siya. So, 100% dinistribute sa ways to earn mo. Okay? Now, the Global 20 upline, na-explain ko na to kanina. Again, 20% from your 20 global upline mapupunta sa'yo every upgradation. So, non-stop yan. Unlimited. Same with Global 20 downline. Okay? Potential is 3,070. So, now, dito tayo sa Global Single Leg. Again, 150%. Same with the $20 pack. Pero, dito, meron kang rebirth IDs for free. Okay? So, every one direct, you will get one free rebirth pool ID. Unlimited. So, dito ka magkakaroon ng multiple accounts. Okay? So, yan. Ito yung structure ng global single leg. So, when we compare this to $20 pack, diba, isang blue lang tsaka white. So, ikaw lang yung pag nag-upgrade ka lang ng package, saka ka lang magkakaroon ng account dito sa line. But this time, kung ikaw ay naka $40 package, ayan, for example, andito ka na, turn mo na, di ba? For example, nanggaling ka dito, pero turn mo na ngayon. Kasi, of course, tuloy-tuloy na pumapasok yung mga tao. Pero once na nag-direct ka, okay, nag-invite ka, ito yon yellow. Automatic, may kakambal yan na rebirth. So, yung direct mo, ito, mag-earn yan syempre. Pero, kasunod niyan, ay yung account mo mag-earn din. How much? This is 150%. Okay? So, 150%, pag naka-earn na to, turn naman ng susunod, So, pag nagdidirect ka, automatic pumapasok sa queue yung direct mo na may kakambal na rebirth. Okay? So, ito yun. So, if madalas kang mag-direct, good news, magkakaroon ka ng maraming accounts. Marami kang accounts na nakapila sa queue para mag-earn ng 150%. So, para lang yan sa naka $40 package. Again, pag ikaw ay naka $20 package, walang rebirth. Okay? Walang ganito, walang pink. Pag $40, ayan, magkakaroon ka ng meron kang isang pool ID, yung account mo. And then, meron kang one pool ID plus rebirth. So, 2 accounts yun. Diba? So, nagkaroon ka ng 1 plus 1 rebirth. And then, pag nag-upgrade ka sa next package, 2 pool IDs plus 2 rebirths. Okay? So, the more upgrades, the higher upgrades na ginagawa mo, ayan, nag-upgrade ka, mas maraming rebirths, so mas maraming accounts yung pumipila dito para mag-earn ng 150%. Good news guys, dito kay pag naka $40 package ka, unlimited rebirth yan. Pag tapos mo dyan, rebirth. Meron ka ulit dito. Pag na-turn mo na, tapos ka na ulit, rebirth. So, unlimited 150%. That's why we encourage you to at least upgrade sa $40 package. Ayan. So, now, sa Gain Global Pool, again, 300% yung ma-earn mo. Ang good news, kapag ikaw yung naka $40 package, magkakaroon ka ng unlimited revert IDs for free. So, ito yung structure naman niya. Okay, same with $20 package. But this time here, kapag ikaw ay naka $40 package, magkakaroon ka ng free revert IDs. Tapos, yung team mo, yung mga nagiging directs mo, once na nagkaroon din sila once na nag-upgrade sila or nagkaroon sila ng directs, meron ka ding makukuha na revert IDs. Ayan. Every direct mo may revert IDs. And then, after 300%, pagatas mo ng, halimbawa, ito ka na, dito ka na, turn mo na, nag-earn ka na ng 300% ng capital mo. Automatic, pupunta ka ulit sa queue. Okay? Plus, may mga tao ka dito, may mga reverts ka na dyan, na nakapila din sa queue para mag-earn ng 300%. So, this will give us huge amount of money guys, kasi paulit-ulit ka, hindi ka namamatay kumbaga. Paulit-ulit kang nabubuhay, nagkakaroon ka ng mga accounts dito, so nagsa-cycle ka lang paulit-ulit. Okay? So that's great news kung ikaw ay naka $40 package. Diba ang laki ng difference? Kaya ine-encourage namin kayo na mag-upgrade at least ng $40 package. Okay? So now let's go to direct income. So on $20 package, you will earn 20% direct income. After upgrade $40, you will get direct income from all your direct members from all package upgrade. So, kung ito guys yun kung may direct kang isa, ito yung potential earnings mo. 1,026. Kung ikaw ay may 10 directs, you will earn 10,260. So, guys, pag natapos yung mga packages na to kumbaga, hindi naman siya gagraduate kasi paulit-ulit lang to Kumbaga, magsa-cycle out ka pero mag-start ka ulit. Okay? So, ito yung potential earnings. If you have 100 people or 100 directs, this will be your potential income. But, there's a rule, guys. Okay? Let's see this here. So, for example, meron kang $40 package ka. Okay? Kapag ikaw ay $20 package lang, mag-earn ka lang ng 20% direct referral. Pag yung mga direct referral mo nag-upgrade, ikaw ay naka 20, wala kang ma-earn dun sa upgrades nila. Okay? So, dapat, naka-upgrade ka. Unahan mo yung direct mo na mag-upgrade bago sila mag-upgrade para walang tatapon na earnings. Okay? So, let's talk about the gain spillover. So, for example, ito ka. Ito yung mga direct people mo, yung first level. So, you will earn 20% direct referrals. Okay? So, meron kang $4 for every direct referrals up to infinity. Okay? So, unlimited yan. Then, itong direct mo, halimbawa, may mga tao dito sa ilalim mo. So, yung directs mo, for example, okay, nag-upgrade siya. Okay? Nag-upgrade siya into $40 pack. So, instead of mag-earn ka ng another 5%, kung ikaw ay naka $20 lang, no, hindi ka mag-earn. But, kung naka $40 package ka, lahat ng to, hanggang 10th level, nag-upgrade sila, you will earn 5%. For example, yung tao mo dito sa 4th, nag-upgrade, magkano yung package na pinakamalaki? $10,000 for example. So, 5% of 10,000 is mapupunta sa'yo. Mag-earn ka ng 5% dun. So, isa lang yun guys. What if lahat ng mga tao dito sa ilalim mo, papunta naman lahat dun yan kasi auto-upgrade nga tayo, di ba? Wala silang choice kundi mag-upgrade. So, pag nag-upgrade sila ng mga higher packages, imagine 5% mapupunta sa'yo. That's unlimited. So, napakalaking potential nun guys. So, nakakahinayang kung ikaw ay naka $20 pack lang, direct referral lang makukuha mo. Pag nag-upgrade sila into the higher packages, you will earn nothing. Okay? So, sayang 5%, malaki po yan. Lalo na kung nasa pinaka-higher package or the last lot, ang in-upgrade nila, 5% of that goes to your account. Okay? So, now let's talk about the level income. So, dito guys, kay Gain Protocol, hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng 1 month para ma-earn mo yung level earnings na yan. Kasi, since this is 100% distribution, hindi kailangang i-hold ni system yung earnings mo. Galing naman kasi yun sa mga upgrades ng mga tao dito inside the system, 'di ba? So, there's no delays. Hindi nila i-delay yung commission natin. So, level 1, mag-earn tayo ng 0.5%. Okay? And then, level 2, so, this will be like, your level 1 will be 2 people, right? So, 0.5%, i-compute mo na lang. Basta, bawat tao, bawat level mo is meron kang 0.5%. Okay? Huwag na natin gawing komplikado. So, meron pa rin palang level income. And this 0.5%, pag pinagsama-sama yan, sobrang laki po niyan. So, yan. Isa sa mga ways to earn din yan. And, mag-earn ka lang dito. Ma-earn mo lang yan kung ikaw ay naka $40 package. Okay? And, pag nag-direct ka, so, isang direct mo, ma-open yung 2 levels. Level 1 and level 2. So, mag-earn ka dito. Then, pag dalawa na yung directs mo, mag-open yung hanggang level 4. So, you need 10 directs para ma-open hanggang level 20. Guys, alam natin yung usapang level, di ba? Yung level 1, 2 people, level 2, 4 people, level 3, 8 people, and so on. Sa Live Good, yung level 12 natin is consist of 8,000 people. So, time is 0.05 mo yun. Yun yung earnings mo. Diba? Yung diamond nga, hanggang level 15 lang yata. So, hanggang dito lang yung sa Live Good. But with Gain Protocol, ma-open lahat ng levels hanggang 20 levels. Hindi malaki yung requirements. Diba? Kailangan mo lang ng 10 direct referrals. Open na lahat hanggang 20 levels mo. So, napakalaking pera po yan. Okay? Now, the power of level income. Ito po yung sinasabi kong malaking income. So, ito guys, level 20, hindi mo na mabilang yan, di ba? So, wag natin gawing komplikado. This is very possible kasi nasa crypto industry tayo and yung pagdami ng tao dito, hindi natin mapipigilan. So, let's just talk about these levels. Ayan yung potential earnings. Minimum of this and up to maximum of this. So, sa level 1 mo, ito yung minimum na ma-earn mo and maximum of $25 and so on. So, wag na nating explain mabuti. Baka sumabog yung utak natin sa laki ng potential income. But, lahat po tayo makakarating dyan. One time ka lang naglabas dyan and no subscription. Hindi natin kailangang mag-renew para makip mo yung position mo or para makip mo yung membership mo. Basta dito, naglabas ka ng 3,500 pesos, then that's it. It's up to you kung gusto mong mabilisan or kung gusto mong mabagal lang. So, wala ka naman ng ibang ilalabas, di ba? That's 3,500 one time. Okay? So, ngayon, dito tayo mag-focus sa isang source, which is the gain salary. And once na nakafocus tayo dito, lahat ng sinabi kong ways to earn na yan ay madadamay lahat. Domino effect. So, ma-achieve mo lahat ng other ways to earn. So, ano ba tong gain salary na to? Okay? So, this business means hindi ito galing sa'yo, hindi ito investment mo, kundi total investment ng lahat ng directs mo or lahat ng tao mo sa ilalim. Okay? So, for example, nag-upgrade sila ng $40. So, divide mo sa 1,000, ilang tao lang yan. Okay? Once na nag-accumulate na total of 1,000, magkakaroon ka ng gain salary na $100. So, ibibigay sa iyo ni system unti-unti, hindi isang bagsakan. So, $10 every week. So, this will be our weekly salary. Now, inabot ng 2,000 yung total ng capital or investment ng members mo, ng team mo, well, you will be rewarded with $200 and hahatiin yan in 10 weeks, so $20 per week. So, hanggang sa maging accumulate yan ng 5,000, guys, hindi naman kasi titigil lang sa ganitong amount yung investment kasi nag-upgrade, di ba? And like I've said, auto-upgradation. So, walang choice, tataas talaga yung total business mo. Now, pag inabot yan ng, for example, 10,000 total, then you will be rewarded 1,000 and you will get this for $100 every week for 10 weeks and so on. So, ayan yung mga total business na amounts na i-hit mo. Once na-hit mo yan, ito yung reward na makuha mo. Okay? But, ito guys, for example, naka 1,000 ka last week. And then, the next week, naging 2,000 yan. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka naaabot ng 10 weeks na may $10. Kakat na to, so, nakatukay ka, ito na yung per week mo. Okay? Now, pag naging 40,000 yan, makakat na kung ano man yung current na earnings mo na every week, kung ano yung current na business mo, total business, yun na yung sasahurin mo the next week, every week. Hanggang, kung halimbawa, nag-stay ka lang dito, ganito lang yung members mo, matagal. So, for 10 weeks, sasahod ka nito. But, kung tumataas yan, good news, tumataas din yung weekly salary mo. Okay? So, let's just focus on this gain salary reward. And, susunod na lahat ng ways to earn. So, nagulat nga ako dun sa account nung sponsor ko kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung weekly salary niya. Okay? Na-receive niya $400. So, ibig sabihin, 40,000 na yung total investment ng team niya and ito yung sahod niya every week. Given the fact na nag-start lang siya ng June 10. This is very, very possible kasi wala namang ibang pupuntahan lahat yan kundi upgrade. And alam natin na bawat upgrade, lalo na yung mga matataas na upgrades na konting tao lang na nag-upgrade ng ganong amount, ma-accumulate mo na to. Accomplish mo to and you will earn this every week. Guys, this is just one of those ways to earn. Remember, meron ka pang 20 global uplines, meron ka pang 20 global downlines, may level income ka, meron kang gain rewards, meron kang direct income, so meron kang global pool. There are lots of ways to earn here. Hindi lang natin yun napapansin kasi madami yun. Ma-realize mo na lang you are earning thousands of dollars every day and that's very possible with this project. Okay? So, that's gain rewards. Now, eto po, meron pa yung royalty income. So, this royalty income, of course, galing na sa word na royal. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga big leaders, yung mga talagang tumatrabaho, yung mga nagbe-build, sila yung mga magkakaroon nito. Okay? And all of us are entitled to get this kung kikilos din tayo, kung magtatrabaho din tayo. So, saan galing to? Sa kay Faith Protocol, meron na akong nabanggit doon yung mga farming, mining, gaming, 'di ba? So, of course, nagge-generate 'yon ng money sa company kay Faith Protocol. So, 5% of those company profit, okay? Kakaroon pa sila ng 5% or parang profit sharing kumbaga. So, grabe yan guys. Napakalaki ng potential, nakakabaliw. Kung ikaw ay hindi aware sa kitaan sa crypto, sasabog talaga yung utak mo dito. Sasabihin mo scam. Well, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung gusto mong milyon na kitaan, subukan mo mag-crypto. Okay? But be ready for a lot of scams. Kaya, if I were you, para hindi ka na maka-experience ng mga scams, eto, subukan mo kasi kami po, naranasan na namin ma-scam. Many times na. Since 2017, I'm doing cryptocurrency business, platforms, and na-experience ko ng ma-scam, pero guys, mas marami pa rin yung naging successful. So, dito ako nagkaroon ng first million ko in just a short span of time. Kaya naman hindi ko matalikuran yung cryptocurrency industry. Kasi I know marami sa atin gusto natin na kumita kasi ayaw nating magsayang ng oras. So, kung posible naman na magkaroon ka ng time and financial freedom ng maaga in short period of time, why not? 'Di ba? Bakit mo tatanggihan? Kasi sabihin mo hindi normal. Well, cryptocurrency talagang hindi normal. Okay? So, again, I think I'm done. And meron pa pala dito, so since magkakaroon din si Fate Protocol ng token soon, ayan, more burn, more earn. So, I'm aware of that. Alam ko na yung proseso nito. So, it's like Bitcoin. Nagkakaroon ng mga pagbaburn yan. So, nababawasan yung supply and tumataas yung value ng token. So, dito po kay Gain Protocol, magkakaroon tayo soon ng token rewards. Ayan, kada upgrades or kada meron tayong na-accomplish, magkakaroon tayo ng token. And that token, pwede nating i-sell, pwede nating i-keep, okay? Habang nagpapataas ng value. So, isa rin yan sa malupit na pwede nating pagkakitaan inside Gain Protocol. Alright? So, now, meron tayong terms and condition. Minimum withdrawal is $10. So, as long as meron ka ng $10 sa dashboard mo, pwede ka nang mag-withdraw. Daily withdrawal limit, pwede kang mag-withdraw ng 5 times per day na $50. Kasi ang $50 instant yan. Once nakinlik mo na yung withdraw, automatic nandun siya agad sa MetaMask mo. Wala nang pasikot-sikot pa, wala nang dadaanan pang iba. 'Di ba? So, matic direct pupunta yun sa MetaMask mo, and once it's there, sa'yo na yan. Perang-pera mo na yan. Okay? So, $50 minimum withdrawals. That's instant. And you can withdraw up to 5 times. Kasi, pag above $50 na, there are some verification. And it will take like 2 hours or 3 hours. Maximum of 12 hours. Pero wala pang nangyaring 12 hours. So, 2 to 3 hours, nandun na rin yun sa MetaMask mo. Kasi meron lang konting verification. Like, yung iba kasi, mali-mali yung email na nilagay. Human error. So, merong verification na gagawin kasi above limit na yung i-withdraw natin. So, they will perform a few verifications lang. Eh, ano ba naman yung 2 hours na maghintay? Nandun naman na agad yun sa wallet mo ulit. So, kung meron kang earnings na 1,000 dyan sa dashboard mo, pwede mong i-withdraw yun minsanan, pero you need to wait for 2 to 3 hours bago mag-reflect yun sa account mo. Pero kung ayaw mo ng ganon, gusto mo instant, gusto mo pagka-click mo ng button, nandun na agad, then mag-withdraw ka ng $50 and times 5. Pwede kang mag-withdraw ng 5 times, so that's 250 din sa isang araw, di ba? So, not bad. Okay? So, next is auto-upgradation after 2x income. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na, for example, $20 yung package mo, then nag-earn ka ng $40. Ibig sabihin, nag-2 times na yung capital mo. So, mag-withdraw mo yon, okay? Then, the next na earnings, i-hold ni company yon. Pag na-accumulate ng another $40, automatic i-upgrade ka ni system. So, sa ayaw mo sa gusto na mag-upgrade ka. And good news, once na upgrade ka, mas dadami yung source of earnings mo, and at the same time, nagkakaroon ka ng mga revert IDs, mas bibilis na yung earnings mo, and at the same time, tumaas din yung withdrawal limit mo. So, magkano na? 40 plus 20, it's $60. Pag nag-earn ka ng times 2 nun, that's $120. Then, you can withdraw all of those 120. The next earnings, i-hold ulit ni company. And pag nag-accumulate siya ng $80, that's the next upgrade, i-upgrade ka niya ulit. So, good news na naman yon, nagkaroon ka na naman ng mga additional sources of earnings. Plus reverts. Okay? So sa ayaw mo sa gusto mag-upgrade ka. Alright? Now, on every $40, direct 1 free ID in full. So, kapag nag-upgrade yung direct referral mo, magkakaroon ka ng another free ID. So, yun, another one account na mag-earn ng unlimited. Okay? So, Rebirth ID start with $40 package. So, yung Rebirth, wala yan sa $20 pack. Kaya, if I were you, upgrade to $40 package. Team Rebirth benefit starts after $40 package. So, napakadaming benefits ng $40 package. Admin charge 10% for project growth. Ito yung sinasabi ko na napupunta sa system or sa company yung 10% ng withdrawals natin. So, that's good enough for them to maintain the company's growth. So, yung company na salihan ko before, as in walang napupunta sa system at walang nag-aasikaso ng system. Kaya naman, hindi siya tumagal. So, dito, may napupunta sa system para dun sa project growth, pang maintenance ng company. And then, the last lot, auto top up again and again after 2x income. So, yung last lot dito is $10,000 280 if I'm not mistaken. So, once na nag 2x na yon, automatic, i-hold ni system yung the next earnings, and then, i-auto-upgrade yon. So, same package lang. Yung last package na yon. So, paulit-ulit ka na lang na mag-earn ng 10,000 dito. So, darating yung time, it's either every day, every week, merong nag-earn ng $10,000. Again, kung hindi mo na-adapt ang cryptocurrency, sasabog talaga yung utak mo. Pero kung ikaw ay aware kung paano ang kitaan sa cryptocurrency, then good news, welcome to Gain Protocol. Alright, so I'm done with my presentation. I hope naintindihan nyo yung konsepto ng business na to and kung bakit sobrang excited ako at bakit seryoso kong ginagawa si Gain Protocol. So, wag nating limitahan yung sarili natin. Lahat naman tayo nagjo-join sa isang project kasi gusto nating mag-earn. 'Di ba? So, why limiting ourselves? Kung pwede naman nating isabay, 'di ba? So, I think I'm done and time to take action now. There's never a perfect time to do anything. We create the perfect time and the perfect moment. So, watch out for my next upload. It's the English version of my presentation. I hope naka-subscribe kayo sa aking channel for more updates and tutorials. Thank you so much again for watching and for staying in my channel. I'll see you all. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.